Are you looking to boost your affiliate sales with Instagram? Learn how to promote products effectively and turn your followers into customers with these proven strategies. Start by setting up your Instagram profile for success. Craft a bio that highlights your niche and include a clickable link to your affiliate offers or a link aggregator like Linktree to ensure your followers can easily find and buy the products you're recommending. Post high-quality and visually appealing content that features the affiliate products by showcasing the product and demonstrating its benefits in a real-life context. Implement interactive elements in your Instagram stories like polls, quizzes, and links to engage your audience and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. For regular posts, direct followers to click the link in your bio and make sure to always disclose your affiliate relationship to maintain trust with your audience. Respond to comments and DMs with followers to build trust and encourage purchases. The more you interact, the more likely your followers will be to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. Are you ready to transform your Instagram into a powerful affiliate marketing tool? Start applying these strategies today and watch your affiliate earnings grow. For more tips and tools, visit hypelinks.com.